There are three kinds of suffering, and the last one is people have to get old and die.
Nice, good.
很好，
And nobody pays attention to her.
而且不会再有人去注意到她了。
She's not beautiful.
她已经不再美了，
Maybe she was beautiful, now she's not.
就或许她曾经非常的美，但现在已经美丽不在了。
And she's not rich,
她也并不富有，
and she's not young,
也并不年轻，
and she cannot do flamenco.
她已经不能跳 flamingo 舞蹈了。
Okay, then no one want to look at her.
没有人想要去再看她，
And this happened to old people.
就是老人们都会遇到这样的状况。
It means happens to all of us.
意思就是我们所有人都会遇到这样的状
There
况，
will come a time
就会有这么一天到来，
we will be old
我们会变得很老，
and we will be alone.
我们会很孤单，
Nobody want to be with us.
就没有人再想要跟我们在一起，
We are not fun.
我们已经没有乐趣了，
We cannot go play with other
我
people.
们也没办法跟别人去玩耍了。
Okay? So this is the future for everybody.
所以这是我们每一个人都会面临的未来。
Okay.